let's learn the song Pink Theory. The key of the song is actually in E flat major. On the chorus, it changes to F major, but just to make it easier, we will change it into C major. And if you want to sing on the same pitch as the original song, you can put a capo on the 3rd fret of your guitar. The chords that we need for this song, the first one would be C major, that looks like this. Or you can play C major 7 as an alternative. Then we need C suspended 4. Then we have D major. Or on some parts you can play D major 7 instead to make it sound better. Then we have D7 that looks like this. Then we have D minor that looks like this. Or you can play D minor 7 instead. Then we have E minor that looks like this. Or you can play E minor 7 instead. Then we have F major. The big F major looks like this. And then we have the smaller F major. If you want to play the smaller one, it's easier. On some parts, playing F major 7 would be better. Or F at 9. This is for the intro mainly. Then we have F minor. You can play the big F minor. But of course the smaller F minor is easier. Then we have, it should be F sharp minor, but I think F sharp minor 7 is a lot easier, and also it sounds better for this song. This is F sharp minor 7. Then we have G major, and on some parts we will change it into G7 or G suspended 4. Then we have A major that looks like this. On some parts we will be playing A suspended 4. Then we have A minor, or you can play the variation of it, which is A minor 7. Then we have, actually it's B minor, but B minor 7 is a lot easier. You can play it like this, or you can release your pinky finger just to make it like this. It is easier, and it's still B minor 7. The intro that I played in the beginning of this video is the one played in the Bossa version. And since the Bossa version mainly use guitar, well, it's like an official guitar version, right? So we will be learning the Bossa version instead of the original version. For the Bossa version, it mainly uses plucking. For the intro, you can just pluck the bass of the chord with the first 3 strings once. This is if you don't want to play the intro like how I did in the beginning of this video. And then for the plucking pattern that we will use for the rest of the song, aside from the intro and the pre-chorus, would be plucking the bass of the chord, and then the first 3 strings, and then we'll pluck the bass twice, and then the first 3 strings, and then stop the strings, and then we'll switch chords, and then we'll pluck the bass of the chord, and then the first 3 strings, and then stop the strings, and then pluck the bass again, the first 3 strings again, and then we'll stop the strings again, and then we'll pluck the bass with the first 3 strings together. So it goes like this: bass, 3, bass, bass, 3, stop, bass, 3, stop, bass, 3, together. For the pre-chorus, the pattern would be plucking the bass, and then the third, and then the second, and then first string. Bass 3, 2, 1. 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 And then on that last two chords, we will be using the previous pattern. So bass 3, bass 3, and then together. And then we stop the strings. And then we continue with the chorus. Bass 3, bass 3, stop, bass 3, stop, bass 3, together. Bass 3, bass 3, stop, bass 3, stop, bass 3, together. On that second line of the chorus, after we plug bass and then the first three strings and then the bass again, on G major we'll change to A major. So we plug the bass and the first three strings and then stop the strings, and then we'll continue. Sharp minor 7, bass 3, stop, bass. Now we usually only pluck the first two strings, but on this B minor 7 we'll also pluck the bass. So together, stop, together, and then E minor 7, bass 3, bass 3, stop, and then for the A major, pluck the bass and the first three strings together once, and then stop the strings. And then we'll continue with the transition with the previous plucking pattern. Bass 3, bass 3, stop, bass 3, stop, bass 3, together. Bass 3, bass 3, stop, together, and then stop the strings. จากวันนี้ให้ฉันได้มีตากันในทุกวันโปรดรู้เอาไว้ว่าฉันนั้นไม่ไปไหนหากวันใดว่านั่งติดเธอเสียใจตัวฉันจะเปลี่ยนโลกเธอทั้งใบให้เป็นสีชมพูAnd if you want to do strumming for the intro and the pre-chorus, you can just strum down once around each chord. Ding, 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 ding. And then for the verse and the chorus and the rest of the song, you can just strum down, up, down. ต่อจากวันนี้ให้ฉันได้มีเธอข้างในทุกวันโปรดรู้เอาไว้ว่าฉันนั้นไม่ไปไหน On the parts where the chord switch is faster than the others, including on the chorus on the second line, we can just strum down twice for each chord. Down, 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 and then we'll continue with the previous pattern. So down, and then we'll continue with the transition. Hãy subscribe cho kênh Ghiền Mì Gõ để không bỏ lỡ